Hey, this is Jeff with the Very Serious Hunting Podcast. Tomorrow kicks off my turkey season. 2 days. I get 2 days to hunt. Maybe Sunday. I am near Goldendale. We'll call it that. I have not seen this place in the light. I have no idea where I'm going tomorrow. I was going to get up and be hiking by 4. Legal light is like 4:40. So instead, I am going to be wait basically until just before legal light, so the alarm's going to be set for 4. All right, it's a little after 4 in the morning. I'm in the truck. It's warmed up. I'm dressed. Beating brackies. Let's go find some turkeys. Climbing up out of the canyon. I guess I don't need that headlamp anymore. Not hearing any turkey noises, but we're giving her hell. It's beautiful out this morning. I'm finding mushrooms. I'm not hearing any turkeys. It's about 6. It's beautiful. See the moon? Oh. Realistically, I think I'm a bit high. Not from the mushrooms. Those aren't that kind. I think I'm a bit high, but man, it's gorgeous up here. Maybe I'm not such in the wrong spot. I heard one. So, can't be too far off. It is beautiful up here. Look at these oaks. There's a bunch of little acorns up here. Let me see if I can find some. Here you go. Bunch of acorns. And yeah, lots of cool oaks and pines. Do you ever get hungry while sitting under a big old pine tree and think, man, I could really just pick some of that miner's lettuce and eat it? Well, let's find out. You can eat it. It's edible. Really nice. Don't really want to eat the flowers, I guess. Oh, nothing peed on it. That's good. Cool little trail snack. You guys, I just missed it. Well, you missed it. I saw 3 deer. Hop, 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 hop. One was definitely a buck. This time of year, I'm going to assume they all were. But, yeah. Found some deer. Wrong time of year, though. Alright, so I'm going to give you a little bit of info on these puffballs, because apparently that's what we're doing today, is foraging. So, here's the thing about puffballs. They're like pure white puffballs. There's no stem. Also, don't rely on me to identify your mushrooms. Know that. See these guys? He's a little small. This guy, he's a little small too. These guys are pretty small, but look. There. You just gotta find the big ones. Now, there was 1 or 2 up here. Look. This is not a big one, but he'll work. We've got a couple that are about that size. Okay, see there's no stem. Okay. We'll grab him too since we're in there. Alright, so here's one of these little puffballs, and here's my trusty pocket knife. Now I'm going to slice into this, and we're going to look and see how that's not white even a little. We don't want him. Alright, well, here's the big ones. Let's see. Maybe the big ones are better. Alright. See that nice white inside? Oh, man, that smells so good and earthy. Okay, we got one. Now, if you find bad spots in the big good ones, it's probably fine. Ooh. Look, I found this big guy, but he's already gone. Let's see. Man, I wonder if carrying these around was a bad idea. He's no good anymore, but I swear he was. So I got two. I got two little guys, quarter size. It's like really steep here, guys. So I'm doing a lot of whining. It's very fun. But I'm about halfway back down to the truck. A lot of flat and then a steep. So I'm gonna go get some lunch. See what this place looks like in the light. Oh, maybe go do some fishing. You wanna see something cool? I made a friend. I took the long way. I took the really long way. I went around and checked another couple areas. Some of them are going to be good for hunting. I'm going to go sit at one tomorrow, and should be a lot less strenuous than today. And yeah, I'm just sitting here getting smoked out by the fire, and yeah, so that's pretty much the end of my day. I know it looks like it's super bright out, but I didn't get much sleep last night. So I'm going to be crashing out as soon as it starts to cool off. Have a good night, everybody. See you on day 2.